Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn English. If you remember in the last two videos, we discussed how we can learn English language from the people around us. In this video, we shall be discussing how we can learn English by watching TV programs, by watching video programs, by watching movies in English and video clips which are available on the internet. This is a very interesting thing that we can do and learn English. While watching such video programs, while watching such movies in English, we must remember one thing that we must closely observe whatever is happening in that video. We must see how people are using the language, speaking the language, how they start the conversation, how they close the conversation, how they use their body language, how they express their feelings like sadness, surprise, happiness, etc. How they ask questions, how they answer questions, how they make a request, how they respond to a request, and above all, we can say how they respond to different communicative needs while interacting with the characters in that particular scene. Okay, and one thing please remember, while choosing the videos, choose those movies, choose those videos which are subtitles in English, initially at least, because that will help you relate what you hear to what you see on the screen. When you relate what you hear to what you see on the screen, that helps you understand the contents in a better manner and use the language in a better manner. Sometimes it may so happen that you may not be able to listen a word properly because of the wrong accent or because of the foreign accent. But you don't have to worry. If you listen to it again and you try to find out from the subtitle, then you will be able to understand the meaning of the word from the context. While choosing the videos, please remember one thing. Choose very small videos first. It could be small advertisements, and remember one thing, please choose those videos which have contents close to your heart. That means choose those things that you really like because you will enjoy watching them, and while watching the videos, you can also learn the language. Okay, and from small videos, then you can move to bigger videos or longer videos with more difficult contents. Okay, and while watching the videos, please remember how the words are used, how the phrases are used, how the sentences are used, how the intonation is used, how people use their body language, all these things. If you don't understand the content given in a particular video, you can take the help of your friends, you can take the help of your brothers, sisters, your parents, your family members, or teachers, whoever is available in your environment. Sometimes you can also do one thing. You can also request your friends, you can also request your teachers to make questions on the video that you have watched and ask you the questions. You can also yourself make the questions, ask your friends when you are watching the video together. That will help you improve your communication skills and uh, comfort in using English in everyday life. Please remember to use English all the time. When you ask questions, when you respond to questions. You may be afraid of making mistakes, but don't worry about that. If you worry about making mistakes at the beginning, then what will happen? You will never be able to learn it. That we discussed in the first video itself. Please remember how you learned your mother tongue. When you learned your mother tongue, you never worried about the rules of grammar. When you heard the language for the first time, you didn't understand anything. Gradually, naturally, you listen to other people and you started learning the language. That also happens with English. So there is nothing to worry about it. The secret of learning anything in life is constant practice and patience. If you have patience and if you continuously practice whatever you want to do in life, then you can be successful. That is also true in case of English. So let us expose ourselves to English as much as possible and be good users of English in our everyday life. Thank you very much.